In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on Discord Mobile. So find the server that you'd like to create the event in, and then press on the server's name at the top to open up the drop down menu. From here, scroll down and you should see create event. Tap on that. So now it'll ask you where your event is, so you either have the option of a voice channel or somewhere else, which means like a text channel, external link, or in-person location. For this tutorial we'll choose a voice channel, and then you need to select a channel, so we'll just choose channel. After that, press next. Then here it'll ask you what your event is about, so you just fill in the details, the event topic, when the start date is, along with the start time. Confirm that, and then you have event frequency. So does this event occur weekly on Wednesdays? You would simply press that and then next, and then it'll give you a preview of your event. So if you're happy enough, you want to tap create event at the bottom. So that's how to create an event on Discord Mobile. Thank you for watching.